Hey guys, in this video I'll be making a custom Sonic 06 Sonic. I'll be using the regular 4-inch Sonic from Jakks Pacific, and I'll be turning him into this art style from Sonic 06. For this figure I'll only be using the arms and legs, and I'll be 3D printing the rest of the figure. For the 3D print, I'll be using the Sonic the Hedgehog 2006 kit from Jakks Sonic models on Cults 3D. The link is in the description if you want to do this yourself. As I mentioned earlier, I'll only be using the arms and legs of the original figure, so I'll have to take apart the torso in order to get access to the arms and legs. And as you can see, the limbs fit perfectly into the torso. Now it's on to painting. I started off with a blue base coat. Then it was on to painting the skin tone. I actually had the perfect paint for Sonic's skin in Sonic 06. It was a slightly yellowish flesh tone. Despite Sonic 06's flaws, I do really enjoy the character design. Even if they look a bit janky in-game, the actual models look really nice, and I personally think they look a bit better than the modern characters. At least in terms of character design, maybe not the model, as those aren't too expressive. I do plan on making Sonic 06 Eggman eventually to coincide with this character. However, I'm not sure when that'll be because I'm planning on finishing up the Adventure 1 characters first and then maybe moving on to Shadow the Hedgehog. But Sonic 06 is definitely on the list. I just wanted to take a break from Sonic Adventure for a week.
This is what you need.
Painting the shoe was actually quite difficult, as I had to get the white stripe painted correctly, and then mirror it onto the other shoe. Now it was onto the smaller details, like the nose, the eyes, and the mouth. I often dread painting the eyes. I still do. They always make or break the figure. But I was especially happy with these eyes for some reason. I'd say it's probably because they're 3D, which can be a bit more difficult to paint, but guarantees that they look proper once painted correctly. But with that being said, the figure's done. So here he is, Sonic from 2006. It's weird to think that this game is almost 19 years old. I'm really happy with how he turned out, especially with the matte finish on the fur, while having a gloss finish on the shoes and eyes. Let me know if I should do any more Sonic 06 figures in the future. As I said earlier, I do have Eggman planned, but I haven't started on him just yet. It will be an adventure figure next week and hopefully the week afterwards. I have Big the Cat and Amy Rose planned for the next 2 weeks, though I'm not sure which one will come first. I also want to just say thank you to everyone who watched this video, and if you could, please like the video and subscribe to my channel as it helps out a lot, and we've been growing exponentially in the past few weeks. And just as a reminder, you can download the 3D printable model in the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.